Hey everyone, welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Today we're making barbecue burn ends. This pork belly is 2.46 pounds. I cut it into roughly 1-inch cubes. Once the pork belly was cut, I transferred it to a 9 by 13 inch baking sheet. As a binder, I used Brobeck's honey mustard and then seasoned it with JDQ Sweet BBQ Rub and Sweet Garlic Rub. Arrange the pork belly fat side down, then smoke at 225 degrees for 2.5 hours. After the 2.5 hours, take them off and transfer them to a steam table pan. Put your favorite barbecue sauce on them. For this recipe, I used Hickory brown sugar by Kinder, pineapple habanero by Heath, Riles Barbecue and Grilling, and honey barbecue by Smash Kitchen. Once the barbecue sauce is covering your burn ends, cover the steam table pan with foil and return to the smoker for an additional 1.5 hours or until they're about 200 degrees internal. Here's the final product. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. And for more videos like this one, check out the other videos on my page. Now we'll give it a try.